Hello and welcome to this tutorial for finding the area of a triangle. You need to have pretty good times tables knowledge and be able to have numbers pretty well. But if you're ready, let's go. Just to revise area, it's always measured in squares. So you've got centimetres squared, you've got metres squared, kilometres squared and millimetres squared. And just to recap how to find the area of a rectangle, it's merely the multiplication of its length, which is 7 centimetres, by its width, which is 4. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, so the area of this rectangle is 28 squared centimetres. The formula for finding the area of a triangle is quite similar and just as easy, I think. It's just finding half of the base and multiplying it by the height. So here's a triangle which has a base of 16 centimetres and a height of 7 centimetres. First of all, I'll halve the 16, which is 8 centimetres, and then I'll multiply it by 7. If I multiply 8 by 7, I have 56. So my answer is 56 squared centimetres. The process is exactly the same for right-angled triangles, and we'll use the length on the side as its height. So all we need to do is take 12 centimetres, halve it, because we halve the base, and we multiply it by the height, which is also 6 centimetres. 6 times 6 is 36, so the area of this triangle is 36 centimetres squared. Things become a little bit more difficult if you have a base which is an odd number, because having an odd number is not as easy as having an even number. But if we have 7, half of 7 is 3.5. What we then do is multiply the 3.5 by the 6, and I find it easiest to multiply the 6 by the 3 first, which would give me 18. Then if I think of 6 times 5 being 30, I think of 6 times by 0.5 as being 3. I then just have to add these together and I'll have 21. So the area of this triangle is 21 centimetres squared. Pause this video now and have a go at finding the area of these triangles. Remember to halve the base and multiply that half by the height. Best of luck. Here are your answers. All you need to do is make sure that you've included centimetres squared as your unit for your answer. It's good to make sure that you write your answer as A equals for area equals. If you've had any problems, have a look back over the tutorial's starting lesson. Otherwise, well played. Well done if you got all of those right, and we'll see you at the next tutorial.